Please get ready for words from page 121, exercise 441 to 444. 5 seconds. Start. Consultations, bilateral, gamut, pertinent, address specifically, strategies, perceptions, instructed, modifications, categorically, contained, advocacy, continued, conveyed, orientation, proliferation, disarmament, eliminate, destruction, eventually, consistently, discriminatory, simultaneous, multilateral, uncontrolled, phenomenon, global, dimension, reiterated, bilaterally, gratitude, incisive, undoubtedly, advert, emerged, consensus, scenario, heartening, democratization, fraternity, irrespective, political, affiliation, address, global, relevance, predicted, confrontation, premise, unfinished, environment, prosperity, collaborative, marginalized, for, neighbors, linkages, fraternal, vehemently, continent, strengthening, framework, bilateral, alleviation, accorded, aspirations, responsive, substantial, upswing, normalized, intensified, identifying, mechanisms, mutually, treaties, unauthorized, fraternity, boost, desirous, presently, incidents, vessels, stray, maritime, fisherman, crux, subvention, translation, internationalize, distorted, propaganda, solution, meaningful, emergency, paramount, voluntary, comprehensive, compulsory, eliminating, validity, prosperity, restrictions, exemptions, reductions, justified, hardship, modifications, voiced, exclude, accrued, liability, construed, onerous, devised, burden, compulsory, deserves, exemption, convenience. Stop. Please get ready for words from page 122, exercise 445 to 448. 5 seconds. Start. Instructive, tribute, dissenting, advisability, observations, frankly, warrant, declaration, constitutional, jurists, impression, dignity, judiciary, stray, remotely, reflection, justiciable, appraisement, departed, civilized, incorporated, judicial, entrusted, inconsistency, assigned, tenure, existence, commend, momentous, perspective, strategies, appended, rationale, dwell, succession, uniformity, continuous, enunciated, miscellaneous, assesses, necessitated, obviate, coincide, requisite, bouncing, offense, acceptability, drawers, prosecutions, presumed, retrospectively, harassment, safeguard, investigate, notification, gazette, encountered, expectation, concerted, statutorily, illuminating, competitive, thereupon, incidentally, confess, tuition, intending, maintenance, candidates, complaints, acceptance, confident, delayed, incidentally, anxious, pervaded, influenced, lowest, downwards, stagnation, deterioration, overcome, dynamism, handicaps, initially, tackling, geared, accentuated, strides, squarely, democratic, convinced, awakening, consciousness, diminish, partner, reconcile, confronted, federal, disadvantage, community, stop. Please get ready for words from page 123, exercise 449 to 452. 5 seconds. Start. Strange, extreme, lull, emotions, adoptions, remarkable, comparable, enormous, literature, history, geography, economics, comprehend, progressed, generation, translated, obligatory, well-versed, assumed, imbibed, Britishers, exceedingly, advisable, continued, sugarcane, prosperity, erratic, depreciation, dividend, suffering, conveniently, forgotten, admittedly, economically, drastic, overhauling, concentrating, yield, abundance, favorable, steep, analyzing, initiate, retrench, quintal, repeats, monopoly, patronage, constituted, distribution, confronting, outdated, dangerous, prevalent, concentration, multiple, diffusion, ownership, contemplated, tendencies, emergency, patriotic, exercised, restraint, veiled, unwarranted, reprehensible, uniformity, favoritism, rental, adjusted, heart-burning, rebate, enabling, immunity, registration, preceded, forgotten, tremendous, exceeds, industrialized, mushrooms, disappear, subscription, tripartite, independent, functionaries, infiltration, enlightened, allegiance, subscription, registered, decentralized, conciliation, machinery, enforcement, inspection, stop. Please get ready for words from page 124, exercise 453 to 456. 5 seconds. Start. Underlined, demarcation, fluctuate, violently, stabilized, apparent, bumper, evolve, formula, harden, intended, tackle, wholesale, scarcity, ultimately, exhortation, incentives, contention, remedial, lagging, impounded, continuously, arguing, fragmented, holdings, cooperatives, manure, perspective, undoubtedly, perused, calculation, emoluments, bearing, barring, thorns, fragrance, thrill, satisfied, apparatus, procurements, hoardings, confession, breadth, passingly, reverse, statistics, mileage, comparative, discontinued, annoyance, distance, constructed, cordially, delinquent, exaggerated, imitated, separate, delinquency, retention, advantageous, nuisance, competent, denomination, inserted, charitable, thoroughly, territorial, entrusted, supervising, multiplicity, psychologically, patience, sympathy, sociological, neglected, worthwhile, beggars, extinct, endorse, automatically, heartily, ameliorate, enactment, plantations, definitions, extended, fragmentation, gardens, suspect, viable, individually, extraordinarily, explanation, clarify, omitted, applicable, stop.